As you can see, it's on. The timer is going. There's water in here, and it's not agitating. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong or if I got the settings on wrong. And because it wouldn't spin either. I had all this taken out and the clothes in and level and even, and it still wasn't agitating or spinning. So I really like to keep it, but if it doesn't work, what's the point of me keeping it? So, I mean, if you can help me out here, tell me what I'm doing wrong. I got the water in at medium. I got the timer set to, it was set to 6, and now it's like at 5, I guess. 5 or 4. It's set on normal. Yeah, I'm not sure. So, thanks.